What's up, YouTube? Natural Nails Renee here, and this video is going to be me testing out this new product, well, new to me product from ZOYA by their Naked Manicure line, which is, it's a demi-gel top coat that you can put on top of a regular nail polish manicure. So let me just give you the lowdown on all that I did with my nails. Okay. First, I had a manicure with Andrea at Rapunzel's, and all I had her do, she gave me a manicure. She did my cuticles and all that, but instead of her polishing my nails or painting my nails, I asked that she put the rescue and repair on my nails. Here we go. The Gelie Cure Rescue Serum, and then this is the Gelie Cure Repair Base. So what you do is you take a pea size of the serum, half for one hand, the other half for the other hand, and you rub it into the nails. Make sure they're clean, you know, wipe them down, and they ask that you wipe them down with the Remove 3-in-1 Formula Remove Plus. It's a polish remover, nail cleaner, and nail prep. So to prep the nail, you just wipe it down with this, and then you take the serum. I'll just put a little bit on my hand, on my finger rather, and as you can see, and really it's not even, it's supposed to be a pea size, and then you split that, and they ask that you just dip and then use that portion for this hand, and then what's left on this finger for this hand, and you rub it into the nail. I'm going to actually, there we go. Let me get something to wipe it off my finger. There we go. But you rub the serum into the nail, rubbing this way, that way, from side to side, from cuticle to free edge, until it's totally absorbed and dry. And then you do not remove it. You then go in on top of that serum that's been absorbed into each nail, and you they say you should take 10 seconds per nail rubbing it in to the nail, and go in all sorts of directions, from sidewall to sidewall to cuticle to free edge. But then you cover it once it's, you know, it's all absorbed and dry. Then you cover it with the Gelie Cure Repair Base. Then you can follow up with a base coat color and then a top coat, and that's what I did for my my left hand last night, because the process, the demi gel that goes on top, the instructions, you need to do it the next day. So you paint your nails, you do all, you know, your regular manicure the one day, and then the next day, then you apply and cure the demi gel on top of each nail. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. Bring over, this is the Naked Gelie. This is what's going to go on top of regular nail polish and be cured for 60 seconds. Let me get this out. Let's see here. Okay, that's giving instructions on and how you should cure. You have to cure these 3 fingers first, then you cross over then you cross over for the pinkies, and then you do the thumbs. So that's easy enough. Okay, it's a 60-second timer, and that's how long you have to cure them for. It's 60 seconds. So this isn't long enough to reach. You can't see it, but so I'm not going to get rid of it because I've got extensions coming, but what I hooked up with. So let me just hook that in here get that ready. In fact, hold on a second. All right, that's all ready to go. Well, they included in the little kit some lint-free nail wipes, as well as gel polish soak-off nail foils, as well as an orange wood stick and a filer. It's a shaper, buffer, and a refiner all in one, as well as the Remove 3-in-1 Remove Plus came in, as well as the Clear Shine, which is cleaned to get rid of the tackiness from the demi gel. So that, oh, let me just show you what I put on as a base coat and the color and everything from the Naked Manicure collection. This is their Naked Manicure Naked Base. That's what I put on as a base on top of the, on top of the repair base. I put that base on top of this to seal in that serum. And that's what I read. And that's why I'm saying that, because that's what I read and heard when I watched videos on this whole process and everything. So that is the base that I put on. And then the color, my ZOYA color, is called Poly. P-O-L-L-Y. And that's what I put on my left hand. And then I put a top coat. I put the Naked Manicure Glossy Seal. I put that on for the top coat. And now it's the next day. So now I'm going to put on the demi gel. Well, they call it Naked Gelie. So let's get started. I'm going to do them in the order in which they say to do the curing. So I'm going to do these three first, cure them, and then the pinkies and thumbs. So, oh good, they had the nice ZOYA brush on this. Yes, I like that. I'm liking that. Okay, let me be careful. I got some on my skin. So that's why they gave the orange wood stick. So that you get it off before you cure. You know what? Give me some alcohol on this pad I have here. Because I still see some on. Yeah, see it here, and it spreads. So now I know. That's why I wanted to. So you guys are catching me doing this for the first time. I never practiced doing this. But I'm feeling like this orange wood stick isn't really removing it. Seems like, unless I just really did put too much. That's what it seems like. So lesson learned for this first nail. Don't need that much. I do not need that much. Okay. Let me make sure there's not a lot on this. Oh, I didn't cap. Be sure you cap that free edge. Cap. Okay, see, I don't see anything. So I definitely had too much on the brush for that first nail. Because that's not happening with these two. Okay, let's go for the cure. Wow. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Look at that high gloss shine. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Got to see how it lasts and the removal. That's what the test is going to be. But I can see where I made a mistake with the side. Yeah. This one, not so much, but this one. Only on this side. And then and you see me in this video, guys. You see me. I was cleaning it up, but it's still flooded. Yeah, that's what it was. It was flooded. It's flooded on this side. Yeah, and I can feel it tugging at my skin. But I don't know if you guys can see it, but right in there, I should have wiped that out. But man, look at how it looks. Okay, now they say to clean up, get the tackiness off with the Gelie Cure Clear Shine. There we go. Get the tackiness off. This is a game changer, guys. Game changer for sure. Oh my goodness. Because, let me tell you, if this really does the trick, make a regular manicure last, I will be buying more of this for sure. This is just a little bottle. It came, but you know, everything's a little bottle. They do sell, this is like a starter kit. And they have an actual larger lamp as well. But I don't have a problem with this small little lamp because of the tabletop space that I have, and for the view of the lens and all that. This is perfect. I can't wait to see how long this lasts. And with this first experience that I've done, I now can gauge how much should be on the brush of this, of the Naked Gelie. This adds stability to your nail. And then that shine. It looks like I have a gel manicure. It really does. I mean, this nail is shiny, but these two are shiny, but these three are shiny. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. All right, so let's do the pinky and the thumbs now. Make sure I get plenty of this off this brush because this pinky is not that big. And it is pretty thin. There we go for the pinky. It's glowing and there is no flooding. Oh my goodness, that looks great. See that shine? My gosh, I'm loving it. All right, now the thumb. Last but not least, Mr. Thumb. Look like I got a little bit right there, so let me try and get that up. All right, now time for the cure. It's nice and glowing and no flooding. No flooding. Look at that. Look at that shine. Can I sing? But I'm just happy. Oh my gosh. ZOYA, ZOYA, ZOYA. Loving me some ZOYA. And they always supporting. Every time I post a video and tag or mention them on Instagram, they always add my video to their story. Yes, that is gorgeous. And I'm definitely going to be making a video on removal, because they're saying removal is really, really easy. Let me see. Fast and easy, damage-free removal. Quick 5-minute removal. When it is time to change out your manicure, you'll need ZOYA Remove Plus, cotton balls, and foils or nail clips. I have both. Remove your mani in 5 minutes or less. Saturate a cotton ball with ZOYA Remove Plus and apply to each nail. Wrap with foil or apply a nail clip. Fit it tightly to the shape of the nail. Leave on for 5 minutes. And then I watched videos and it slid right off. There was no scraping, nothing. This person did nothing. She literally wiggled the foil piece with the cotton ball and then pulled, and everything came off. This hand I did not do. This hand just has the repair serum and the repair base. The rescue serum, rather. The rescue serum and the repair base. That's all I have on my right hand. Is those two products from ZOYA. From the Naked Manicure, which is by ZOYA. I'm going to have to buy the big bottle of this for sure. Well, I'm jumping ahead. As long as this wears like they say it does, and the removal is as easy as they say it is, which I have a feeling it's going to be because I watched videos, I'm going to have to buy the big bottle. Because this is just a little, starter bottle. Well, there you have it. Defend and Shine, the clear cure for extended polish wear. Y'all have a good one. Peace.